Craft an exceptional e-commerce experience in Webflow by understanding and implementing secure payment flows. Begin by accessing your Webflow project dashboard and selecting the e-commerce tab located on the left sidebar. This section is the core of your online store's management. Within the e-commerce settings, you'll find and click on the payments option. This is where you'll establish the connections to process customer transactions. Webflow provides straightforward integrations with a variety of leading payment providers. Choose the gateway that aligns best with your business operations, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, or another reputable service. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize your selected gateway. This typically involves inputting your account credentials or API keys. As provided by the payment processor, the process is designed to be user-friendly. Upon successful gateway integration, your customers will encounter a streamlined and transparent purchasing process. Adding items to their cart is effortless, leading smoothly to the checkout stage. The checkout page will guide your customers through providing the essential shipping and billing details. Webflow prioritizes the secure handling of this data, fostering confidence with each purchase. Customers can conveniently enter their payment details directly within your Webflow site, eliminating external redirects for a cohesive and professional transaction experience. Following a completed transaction, customers will receive a clear order confirmation, and you'll be notified, ensuring efficient order fulfillment. Your e-commerce function is now complete.